all! Today we are going to discuss some of the mistakes made in OET listening which can reduce your band score. Number 1. Overemphasis on details. Spending too much time on small details can cause the listener to miss the overall context or main points. Number 2. Selective hearing. When you give more focus on some key points while listening, you might miss some of the important details. Number 3. Ignoring signposting. Ignoring the signposts such as dates, locations, names, and numbers can result in the misunderstanding of context or sequence of events. Number 4. Not reviewing answers. Failing to review or check your answers before submitting the final response can lead to avoidable errors. Number 5. Neglecting practice. Not practicing with various OET listening materials can hinder familiarity with the test formats and reduce confidence. I hope this video is informative. For more useful tips, follow Tiju's Academy. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.